Do you still chop and cut the vegetables with knives? Do you still need a blender, mixer, or juice extractor in your kitchen? These kitchen appliances are vanishing from kitchens everywhere because a new product has made them obsolete. Introducing the Kenji Food Maker Pro, the revolutionary kitchen appliance that chops, cuts, grinds, and mixes like a professional chef, combining the Eastern secrets for the sharpest blades with its multi-level 4-blade system technology that works with the powerful Kenji motor. It will crush the hardest ice to make crushed ice in an instant. Ideal to prepare soft and delicious smoothies. Just add fresh fruit, yogurt, and a glass of milk. Your entire family will love them. Delicious guacamole with avocado, onions, tomato, and lemon juice. This quick. Or authentic salsa with tomatoes, onions, chili, and jalapenos in an instant. Enjoy Mexican salsas for your nachos. Chop onions without a single tear. Or tomato sauce for pasta. This fast and easy. Does your blender only do this with ice? With the Kenji Food Maker Pro, you'll crush ice in an instant. Amazing! With coffee, milk, and ice, you'll have frappe coffee in seconds. The Kenji Food Maker Pro uses a multi-level 4-blade system that does everything faster, easier, and better. Look at the difference. Incredible! Now you don't have to chop and cut vegetables with knives. You don't need a blender, mixer, or juice extractor in your kitchen anymore. Kenji Food Maker Pro chops, cuts, grinds, and mixes like a professional chef. With eggs, tomatoes, and green pepper, make delicious omelets. Pesto sauce in a moment and effortlessly. Pumpkin cream in an instant. With frozen berries, cream, and sugar, make delicious ice cream. Crush ice into tiny bits to make refreshing cocktails. The Kenji Food Maker Pro is also perfect to prepare baby food and much more. Don't wait any longer to cook in your home like a real chef. Call now and get your very own Kenji Food Maker Pro system. You'll receive the Kenji Power Pod with low-noise motor, the specially designed stainless steel blades, the multi-level 4-blade accessory, the full-size pitcher with splash guard and storage lid, all for the amazingly low price you see on your screen. The Kenji Food Maker Pro gives you everything you need to prepare your favorite foods like a professional chef. Just one device that does it all. So take advantage of this opportunity and call right now.